Regarding how to make a multilingual survey. So we'll simply start with the create survey, and here we will pick any of these already available templates. So let's pick up this remote learning survey. So this survey, as you can see, is in plain English. So we'll simply select. Now you can see that the survey has been replicated. We can see that the default language and this is a single language survey within English. So we'll add another language, say for example Dutch. So the moment you add a new language, you will see that the survey has saved, and we click on it and we see that the survey has automatically translated. Now we want to change the default language of the survey, because Dutch is our main language and all the other language should automatically translate. So now we have made it to Dutch. So Dutch is the default language. And since we have selected Dutch here, so you can see all the things in Dutch. Now we'll go ahead and change some of the things in Dutch. Say for example, we just want the first name. Say for example we want this name and we want the text here, right? This won't allow us to save because it will ask us to fill this field. This field basically is the placeholder text, as you can see, that the user will see to guide them. So let's say we copy this and we go back and we save this. Now you will see that there is this wobbling effect which is there onto the right. This is asking you to save. This is mandatory for all the multilingual surveys. So you will click it and we see that now it's saved, and we will see if the English translation is available for this, and you can see that a proper translation has now been added. Same goes, say for example, for first name. Let's say we just want the first name. Right, so let's copy this, and you can see that the translation here in English is student name. We'll go back to Dutch and we simply put this and we save. Now we go back and check. So you can see that it's proper. So we'll save it, and now you can say that this has been translated automatically, and we go and check at the survey level. This works fine. Now, this whole thing can be quickly validated, how it will appear to the user. For that to be validated, this is the preview mode. Preview simply loads the same survey in how it would be visible to the end user. You can simply change the language here. English being my first language, so I'm more comfortable with it. So here you can see this is how the survey would be visible. Here, basically, preview also adds a bit more to how it would be visible to the user by giving you this comment option. This won't be visible to the end user. This is only available in preview because you would want to share it with your team members with this button. Right, so that they can collaborate on to your survey and provide comments to optimize it. You can basically do the complete styling here, right, from this screen itself, right? So that's possible. You can change the layout, you can change the colors and all from preview. So this is how the preview and basically the design works. And basically you can also change a lot of other things, say for example the button text, the question text, and all those into multilingual.